Hi guys, welcome to another Angular 8 video tutorial for absolute beginners by TechTechTuts in 2019. Friends, in today's video tutorial we will learn about wildcard routing and redirect routing in Angular 8. So hopefully if you like this video tutorial you will press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel then don't forget to press the subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new video. So without any if and buts, let's get into the tutorial. First, let's talk about wildcard routing, what it is and how does it work. So wildcard routing basically detects whenever we try to open any route which doesn't exist in our application. For example, we have created three or four routes. One for three you can see here, and the fourth one is here. So whenever I click on any link, it shows me its corresponding component value in the router view. So what if I try to open any other route, like for example I will open just randomly a route which doesn't exist, then it will disconnect itself automatically, and then it connect again and give an error and redirect us to the home page. So it automatically disconnecting us because we are putting here invalid route which doesn't exist, and we have already told the Angular that whenever there is possibly an undefined route then redirect it to the home route. So what it is doing, it is disconnecting us. Like you see, if I open any route which isn't exist, it will disconnect us, and then again it will return back us to the home route. So this behavior is without wildcard routing. So for example, we want to display a page not found when there is a route which doesn't exist, when a user try to open a route which doesn't exist. So in that case we need a route which is called page not found. So how to create that page not found route? Simply what you need, first you need to create a component. So ng generate component page not, or you can type it like this, page not found. So it will create a folder page not found, and within that folder you will have a page dash not dash found dot component dot html css and ts file, and it will automatically be imported inside our app.module.ts. So inside our routes array we create a new object which will be path with double static. So double static means this is a wildcard route. So in that case I want to load component page not found component. So simple is that, this is called page not found component. So what it will do, let me reload my application. So here I reload my application, and now if I open or try to open a route which doesn't exist, not found route. So if I open it, it will show us page not found. So you see it will goes to page not found. This time it didn't goes to home route, it didn't redirect us to the home route. All other it only shows us not found route, and inside our router outlet it shows us page not found works. So it means it's loading page not found. Or simply you can change the message here, the page you are looking for not found, or the link you are looking for is not found. So again if I open it, then it will open it. So whatever you type here now, apart from what we route already have, it will redirect us to the page not found. So this is how wildcard routing works normally in Angular 8. So there is one more point to remember, that never ever put your wildcard routing on the top of your application on the route. So for example, if I put this route here, so what will happen, whatever I type it will always detect it as a page not found route, because wildcard route matches with every route. So you see, if I open a home, it shows us the page you are looking for not found. I click about, it's showing us the page you are looking for is not found. I open contact, it's showing us the page you are looking for not found. So keep in mind that always you should put this wildcard route at the end of your routes. So always put them at the end so that you will be saved from this trouble of not showing page not found for every route. So now it is working fine, you see. So now when I try to open any link which doesn't exist, it will redirect us to the page not found page component. So page not found, if I open this route, it will redirect us to the page you are looking for not found. So this is how wildcard routing works in Angular 8. Now let's talk about redirect route. If I open my root folder, my root domain, you will see that it is showing us the page you are looking for not found. So actually, because we have not defined any route for our home route means not this home route mean our root, like without saying any routing, we are now at the home route. We are on the route. So in this route we haven't defined in our routes. So for that reason it is showing us the page you are looking for not found. So there are two possible solutions for this problem. Number one, you simply create an empty route without providing it any name like path, and simply put single quotes and then component, and you can load any one of any components you want to show as a default home route. So here we will use home component. So after doing this, when our page reload, now it will show us home works. So it means it is loading home component, as well as if I click here, it is again loading the home components. So this is not a good practice. If we are loading the root component, it is still loading home works, home component, but if we go to home, even then it's loading home works. So this is not the ideal situation. So in our situation it should be like this: when I open root component, it should redirect me to the home component. Rather than showing home works here, it should redirect me to the home components. So to achieve this task, we need to use redirect route. So rather than putting a component here, we will use redirect to key, and then we will pass it /home, which is our home component. Then it will have another extra parameter path match, which can be either prefix or can be full. So prefix mean it will check the prefix, the starting point, and then it will load that particular uh, component. But the trick is here that if I use prefix here, what it will do, like if I use prefix here, now whenever I load any component, it actually loading the home component. So it's redirecting us for every prefix to the home. So to resolve this issue, we should use full as a path match. So when we use full path match, then if I open about, it will work, contact, it will work, home, it will work. So now whenever I open our home route, it will redirect me to the home page, actual our home page, and then from here we can navigate to our other routes. So for the prefix, when we will learn about child component, child routing, the parent-child relationship in routes, then we will see how prefix will help us to resolve different issues which can be arised when we are loading the child components. So for this tutorial, this is it, and we have completely understand that what is wildcard routing and what is redirect routing in Angular 8. Okay guys, this is it. We have learned today that how to create wildcard routing, and then we have seen that how to create redirect routing and what are the difference, what are the important thing about wildcard routing and what are important things about redirect. So I'm sure you have liked this video tutorial and you have already pressed the like button, and if you are new to our YouTube channel TechTechTuts, then you have already subscribed to it and pressed the bell icon. So guys, this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial till the end. Take care and goodbye.